Yes, hello students. Welcome in our class. Today I go to chapter 2, part 4. In this part 4 students, basically I explain you solving equations having the variable on the both sides. It means students, one side only variable already completed in part 1 and part 2 in part 3. Now today I go to solving the equation having the variable on the both sides related, continuing our example number 12. So in example 12, look at that question. 2x minus 3 is equal to x plus 2. I just telling about these two are the variables. This one variable and this one variable. So students, you make the joining for the both variable up to same. So 2x, this x taking right side to left side, it means symbol change. And this 3 converting left to right side, it means 2 plus 3. Because minus 3 I forwarded to right side. Now 2x minus x, it is 1x. And here 5. So you getting only x is equal to 5. And that's your little simple answer. Now continue. Example number 13. Students, example 13 is IMP sums. For exam oriented. 5x plus 7 by 2 is equal to 3x by 2 minus 14. Here also see students, there are the two variables 5x and 3x. But generally students, you first of all take the LCM. Here 1 and here 1. So how many LCM? 1, 2, 2 and 1. Yes, it is total LCM is a 2. So I start the sum. We taking LCM of 1, 2, 2 and 1 is 2. And this LCM students we multiply. Yes. We multiply 2 on both sides. So here 2 into 5x, 2 into 7 by 2. Similarly here, both sides students will multiply by 2. Yes. Both sides multiply their LCMs. So finally you judge here, it is answer 10x. This 2 and this 2 gone. Only I have how much? 7. Here also 2 gone. Only I have 3x and here 28. Now look at that students. These two are the variables. 7x and 3x. So you just carry forward one side your variable 10x and 3x and one side our constant. So I calculate here. By converting variable one side. So this step I ahead here. So 10x minus 3x and minus 28 as it is. But look at that, this plus 7 I convert left to right side. It is minus 7. One more time repeat. 3x and 7x is a variable. So students, this variable and this variable I make the join. Plus 3x convert left side minus 3x. And minus 28 as it is 7 going right side. So it is minus 7. So here how much? 7x. And here minus 35. So 7x by 7 divided. After that both sides. So 7 gone. And happily you getting 7 5s are. That's your final solutions. Yes students. Here your example 12 and example 13 over that. Now I go to exercise, continue. Our exercise number 2.3. In 2.3, students, first question is just 3x is equal to 2x plus 18. Yes. Here also students, you first of all judge where our two variables, one of this variable and one of this variable. Variable means the related values for x, y, z, not a constant. So this 3x and this 2x, just try students both of the joining. So 3x minus 2x is equal to 18. How much? X. Because 3x minus 2x is a 1x, students. Indirectly it is a x. So x is equal to 18. And that's your simple way. Our final answer, easily and happily done. Correct? Yes. Similarly, students, after that one numerical ending, I go to second one. In this second sum, students, check what is the variable? 5t and 3t. Here t is a variable. So don't worry, this 3t, your right side to left side converted. So you're getting only 5t minus 3t. And now this minus is as it is, minus 5, and this minus 3, I converted left to right side, it is plus 3. So how much? 5t minus 3t, 2t, and here minus 2. Now students, divided by 2, both sides, and declare here, divide 2 on both the side, that way. So finally I done t is equal to minus 1, and happily, easily you getting, students, here 2 marks. It is our 2 marks question, students. A very simple way. I just finished that. Now continue. Question number 3. My third question is 5x plus 9 is equal to 5 plus 3x. Here also first you students define where is our 2 variables. One of the 3x, one of the 5x. These 2 are necessary, first defined by our 2 variables. So this 3x converting left side, it is minus 3x. This 5 as it is. And this 9 I go to converting minus 9, this one. Because left side to our plus 9, convert right side minus 9. So how much? 2x is equal to minus 4. Now dividing by 2, and you declare divide 2 on both sides. So finally what you get? X is equal to minus 2. Yes, that's the last and final easily answer. Continue. Question number 4. 4z plus 3, 6 plus 2z. Similarly here also students, our question given in the variable z. Yes, these are the variables. So before starting students, you just define first our variables. Now 4z and 2z both are the joining. So 4z minus 2z, here 6 minus 3, this 3 as it is, and this plus 3, I just moving ahead, right side, it is minus 3. So how much it is? It is 2z is equal to 3. Now divided by 2, both side, same method, right? Divide 2 on both the side, that much. So what you get? Z is equal to, yes, it is minus 3 by 2. And that's your final answer. So does this each question for 2 marks? Huh? In exam oriented, this question asking for how much? 2 marks. Yes. Continue. Question number 5. 2x minus 1. 14 minus x. See, look at that in this question. Where is our variable? One of the and other of the, these are. So these 2 are our variables. But students, this minus x, I converted right side to left side. So 2x plus x. Whenever you right side to left side to translate, students, always sign change. And and this 14 is as it is. Now this minus 1, I go to right side, it is plus 1, this one. So you getting just 3x, here 15. So what is the answer? Yes, divided by 3, side by side mention. Divide 3 on both sides. Yes. So x is equal to how much? 5 sir. Because this 3 cancel, and here also 3 5s are cancel, and that's your final answer. Continue. Question number 6. Students, very easy solution, and its simple way already I explained in the part 1. So I hope you understand very well. 3 times x minus 1 plus 7. Yes students, here also variable, but it is a mixing form given. So students, first of all these 3 you multiply the inside. So how much it is? 8x plus 4. 3 into x, 3x. 3 ones are 3 and plus 7. Now these are the like terms. Minus 3 plus 7. So 8x plus 4. Here same. How many minus 3 plus 7? Yes, it is 4. Now students, define where is our variable. These two are our variable. 8x and 3x. So both are the, you translate one side, 8x minus 3x, and here 4 minus 4. This 4 is same as a, and this 4 is coming here to plus 4 to minus 4, means my answer 5x is equal to 0. Method same, divided by 5, divided by 5, and here declare divide 5 on both sides. So 5 gone, only I have x, and 0 by 5 is how many? 0. Students, 0 by any number is 0. Maybe 0 by 5, 0 by 1, 0 by 2, any numbers. 0 by any number for constant, always it is called our 0 answer. Now same as question number 7. Similarly, I am going students slowly. X is equal to 4 by 5, and here x plus 10. Here also one of the mixing form given. So first of all students, this 4 upper layer, you multiply the inside, 4 into x, 4 into 10, and this 5 is as it is. Okay, so x same, here 4 into x, 4x, and here 40 divided by 5, and here upon 1 only. What is the LCM there? 5. So we multiply 5 on both sides. So here just you 5 multiply, same as here 5 multiply. Finally you done. 5 gone. Only I have 5x is equal to 4x plus 40. Now students, decide where is our two variables. Yes, these are the variables. So you make the joint in the variable form. So 5x minus 4x is equal to 40. So x is equal to 40. These are the our finally and easiest form answer. Continue saying question number 8. 2x by 3 plus 1, 7x by 15 plus 3. Now students, check here how many LCM first. After that you separate our variables. But first of all, you take our LCM. 3, 1, 15, 1. Yes, LCM is a 15. So show out. We multiply 15 on both sides. Their LCM. So I just getting here 15 the first terms, 15 the second terms. Similarly, here also 15 and here also 15. Finally, students, this cancel. Your mutual cancellations. Here 15 and 15 gone. Here 3 5s are gone. So how much remaining? 5 to 2. 10x plus 15. 7x plus, yes, 15 3s are 45. Now students define again where is our two variables. So these two are our variables. Students must be you focus on the our two variables. So 10x minus 7x, 45 minus 15. How much? 3x. And students, 45 minus 50 is how much? Yes, it is 30. So I done here divided by 3 on both sides. Just here show out. Divide 3 on both sides. So 3 3 gone. And here 10s are gone. So what is the answer? X is equal to, finally my answer is only and only 10. So this topic is, students, it's very simple. Topic is what? Solution for two variables. Look at that, these two variables. Here also two variables. I every time highlight the two variables for me. Then you easily understood. Continue. Question number 9. 9 is that 2y plus 5 by 3 is a 26 by 3 minus y. Students, here also check upon here 1, here 1 and take out your LCMs 1, 3, 3 and 1. So we multiply 3 on the both sides. So here first 3 multiply, similarly second, similarly third, and same as to our last one. Just you taking the LCM 3 3 3 and internal data same as here 2y, here 5 by 3, here 26 by 3, and here y is as it is. Now students, finally this 3 and this 3 gone. Again 3 and 3 gone. So how much it is remaining? Yes, it is 6y, 5, 26, 3y. One more time repeat, students. Where is our two variables? One of the this variable and one of this variable. So students, always you highlight our variables in your mind. And minus 3y, right side to left side moving. So 6y plus 3y, 26 same, and this 5 convert right side, it is minus 5. So how much? 9y is equal to 26 minus 5, it is 21. So 9y by 9, 21 by 9, and show out here, divide 9 on both sides. So finally this 9 and 9 gone, and here 9 and 21 also gone. How much? Yes, 7 3s are and 3 3s are. So these are total values. Are the cutout to 3 3. How many answer? Yes, it is 7 by 3. So finally your solution y is equal to 7 by 3 gives your last answer, students. And here easily and happily our 9th example also done. Same as I go to question number 10, which is last question for this exercise. 3m is equal to 5m minus 8 by 5. 3m is equal to 5m minus 8 by 5. Students, here also same. First check out your LCM, and after that you start our happily our sum. LCM is 5, so we multiply 5 on the both side. Students, you also carry forward 3m and 5m, and after that calculation is also true. But I taking LCM wise, it's best way. And happily done your answer. 5 multiply to here 8 by 5. Now this 5 and this 5 cancel. Only I have 5 3s are 15m. Here 25m. And here how much? Only and only 8. So these two are like terms. Again I highlight you students. 15m and 25m. These two are our variables. Variables means like terms. They are same as. So 15m minus 25m is equal to minus 8. So how much? Minus 10m is equal to minus 8. Students, minus and minus gone on the both sides. So I have only 10m upon 10, 8 upon 10. And here show how divide 10 on both the side. That one. So this 10 cancel. And here also 4 2s and 5 2s. My answer m is equal to 4 2s and here 5 2s. So only and that this answer is a 4 by 5. 4 by 5. Yes students, here our part 4 happily done. And further explanations students I explain you in the next video, in the next part 5. Yes students, and these are the two related variables, numericals done. Now in next video I explain you two variable related some word problems in your already given in your textbook exercise. Yes students, if you have any doubts in our related videos, just you call me. I give you already my numbers in your YouTube descriptions. Yes, thank you for watching. Thank you.